Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. What do you think is the best province or city to visit in Thailand? It could be Phuket, Pattaya, or Khao Yai. But today, I'm going to tell you why you should take a trip to Chiang Mai. First, for animal lovers, Chiang Mai has a great zoo and nice safari. This is a train to take people to see wild animals such as rhinos, giraffes, and bears. They also have shows with tigers and lions, which are a little bit scary, but when the animals finish their trick, they look very proud and it's very entertaining. Next, Chiang Mai has a lot of mountains, such as Doi Internet and Doi Suthep, as well as waterfall. I actually go waterfall climbing last year. I wasn't afraid of the heights, but there was a spooky forest nearby. But I didn't give up, I just climbed up as fast as I can. What is the best part of Chiang Mai? That's easy. It's the food, of course. One of the most popular is Kapu. This is made with pork skin, boiled, seasoned, and then fried. It doesn't sound very healthy, but who cares? Another famous food is a herbal sausage called sai ua. This is made with pork and fat. You know, I don't think it's fun being a pig in Chiang Mai. Anyway, it's quite spicy and have a lovely aroma. Other famous dishes include khao soi and na prik nom. But these are made with pork, so I think the pig in Chiang Mai quite safe this time. To sum up, if you want a great place to visit, please consider Chiang Mai, especially if you like wild animals, mountains, and scrumptious food. My name is Put, and I want to have a pork burger.